Hey Google, turn on studio light.
Sure, turning the studio light on.
What's up guys? Welcome back again for another parcel unboxing na galing kay Sir Ricky Hatton. Yan. He's a toy seller. So if you're into buying a pre-loved item, pre-owned item, just follow his page and check his post for his items for sale. Okay? So what we have here, it is a Newray brand na MAN F2000 truck. Okay, it is a long hauler truck. So before that, before we open this package, just let me promote this page. Yan, it is HCE Shop Select. It is my personal page where I will usually post some items for sale. Okay, so let's unbox this toy and let's find out kung if this is a Newray brand. Okay, so upon checking, Newray brand is it is a die-cast toy, but most usually they using barely plastic for some parts, some major parts like the holder or the trailer. But this time we'll check it out kung ano nga ba talaga to. Pero I'm familiar with a Newray toy, so there's a lot in the market, and I guess this is a bit vintage na yung toy na to. From upon checking, it is a 1995 toy, yang released by Newray seller o maker. Okay, so unbox na natin to. Yeah, na siya. Okay, by the way, yung scale na itong Newray na to, this is 1:43. Kung Newray nga siya. Wala namang nakitang similar sa market. Yan, just like yung Britain's the brand. Yung Newray, ganun din siya, yung magamit sila ng plastic. Okay, ito na siya. Okay, as you can see, this is a MAN truck. Ang model niya is F2000. Okay, so aware pala ako sa condition ng toy na to guys. This is not brand new, pre-love item lang to. And missing yung some parts na to, like this one, yung side mirror. And may part dito na nawawala. Yan, just like in the picture, yung doon nakalagay yung warning lights niya. Okay, it is a holder. Ito pa pala, yung isang ano niya, mudguard. Yan, plastic yun, supposedly. Okay, so it is a long hauler. Iba lang nabubuksan na parts to. Okay, straightforward na tayo. Itong body niya, yung white na to is die-cast metal. There's an emblem there naman. Then yung model niya na F2000. Okay, so walang mirror to. Walang yung window mirror. Pero meron naman siyang windshield. Hindi ko lang alam kung ganun talaga yung stock niya, pero tingin ko wala talaga siya kasi wala naman. Usually kasi yung toy na to, pag tinanggal mo tong head, buo yan eh. So hindi naman kasi nabubuksan yung pinto nito, kaya tingin ko wala talaga siya. Okay, so etong top niya, this is a plastic. Yan, nakapatong yan siya dyan. May details ng supposedly ano to eh, moonroof. Ayan, sunroof. Okay, so plastic tong ano niya, tong base niya, itong lagayan ng headlights niya, saka tong mudguard. Yung body niya is plastic din. Okay, so yung gulong naman niya is rubber. Yung mga rims niya is plastic. Okay, this part, this is a gas tank. This is plastic. Okay, so on the back, may details dito ng stoplights, yung bracket ng stoplights niya. This is plastic. And this bed, this is plastic. Okay, may details dito ng winch. Yan, ito yung nawawala dito, nakatusok yan. Maganda sana kung functional tong winch na guys. Okay, so hindi ako fan talaga ng Newray, pero this good prospect for project. Yan, gagawin natin na mga functionality. Ito kung kaya na makakuha tayo ng parts na pwede dito. Yan, okay. So, yan, yung side mirror niya is plastic, hindi siya rubberized. So, overall, the details naman ng manshock na to is nearly accurate naman. Kaya maganda lang sana kung ang ginawa ni New Ray dito is diecast to. Tapos yung headlights niya is acrylic na, para look premium naman siya. Okay, so ang markings nito, wala ako nakikita. Ayan, may markings dito. Ayan. Made in China. Ayan, New Ray nga siya. Marketing Ltd. Popak New Ray. Ayan, made in China. Okay, so plastic lang tong hauler niya. Okay, for the functionality, this is a long hauler. Merong hydraulic dito. Ayan, plastic nga lang siya. Tapos, na-slide to dito. Pag ganyan. Ayan. Para pwede kami isakay dito. Kasi this truck is a part of a towing truck. That can carry, ilang tons to. Pero, yung nakikita kong ganito sa labas, sa kalsada, somewhere, nagkakarga sila ng mga mini excavator. Okay. So, tingin ko nga 1:43 to kasi New Ray yung brand na ito. Okay, so ayan siya. Yan. Ang maganda lang dito, rubber wheels niya. Yan. Rubber naman siya. Tapos yung rim niya is plastic pero maganda na may mga details. Maganda naman yung ano niya, pagiging yung details ng rims niya. Yan. Okay, for the size comparison, meron ako dito na hindi ko pa nagawa to ng product review. Itong Isuzu na N-Series. Yan. 1:43 yung scale na ito eh. Pero, pag chinek mo yung ano nila, size comparison nila, mas maliit to. Malaki siya. And, don't know, baka ganun talaga yung formats ng New Ray. Kung titignan ko talaga to, parang nasa 1:32 yung scale na ito. Ganun ang tingin ko. Kasi wala namang marking ng ano dito eh, ng kung anong scale siya. Pero upon checking sa Google Lens, 1:43 itong New Ray na to. Okay, so let's check the weight. Medyo magaan lang naman to, pero it's worth check the weight. Ayan siya, 160 grams. While itong Isuzu na to, 122 grams. So, hindi naman sila nagkakalayo ng weight. Yung size lang niya, medyo mas malaki siya compared do sa 1:43. Kasi 1:43 scale nun eh. Ito, details niya is 1:43. Pero, ang tingin ko sa kanya, may pagka, ano siya, ganun, 1:32. Okay, so, let's check kung anong toy na pwede natin ilagay dito. Kasi 1:43, meron tayo dito yung Kobelco. Yeah, masyado siya malaki guys. No, although this excavator is a full excavator kasi ito, dito mini excavator. Meron naman tayo dito na isang Volvo na EC35 na 1:35 yung scale na ito. Tama ba? Ayan, 1:35 siya guys. So, fit naman siya dito. O, baka ganun nga siya, 1:35 o 1:32 yung accurate scale na itong manshock na to. Okay? Ang ganda rin naman yung details niya, although plastic nga siya. Very highly, ano naman siya, decorative or pwede siya sa diorama, di ba? Yan, okay. So, ito nga lang talaga kasi plastic. Pagka mabigat yung ilalagay mo, hindi siya, tawag yun, baka hindi siya tumagal kasi yung plastic nito medyo manipis lang. So, pa-project na lang natin to kung anong parts na pwede natin ipalit kung meron tayo para maging decent na may look niya. Okay, so that's it guys. Maganda rin naman siya. Fit siya sa 1:35. Oh, diba? Okay na rin. Okay, so if you like more of this diecast toy review, just follow my page. I have a Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube account. And I'll see you soon for the upcoming video, and goodbye.